Good evening and welcome on this civil engineering strength of material class 24. Till yesterday we have completed that is complex stresses. Now today we are going to see some MCQs, shear force and bending moment diagrams. एग्जाम में इनसे रिलेटेड काफ़ी क्वेश्चन आते हैं. आपको इस चीज़ को सीरियसली लेते हुए छोटा सा लेक्चर जो मैंने बनाया इसके MCQs आप एग्जाम देने से पहले जरूर देख कर जाएं. जिसमें पहला क्वेश्चन है द डिग्री ऑफ कर्व ऑफ बेंडिंग मोमेंट प्रोड्यूस्ड इन ए कैंटिलीवर व्हेन लोड इज ऑफ वेरिंग नेचर देन देयर इज ए 3 डिग्री ऑफ कर्व बेंडिंग मोमेंट, राइट. In cantilever beam, irrespective of the type of loading, maximum bending moment at maximum shear force occurs at fixed end. Maximum bending moment and maximum shear force occurs at fixed end. Shape of bending moment diagram for a simply supported beam carrying a number of concentrated load is series of straight line. Shear force diagram for a cantilever beam carrying a uniformly distributed load over its length is triangular. Triangular. A cantilever with span L and subjected to a moment M acting at the free end shall have a shear force at the supports. Shear force will be 0. Next, when it is indicated that beam is elastic, it means that when force is applied, it will stretch. The fixed end moments in beam of L, span L due to a triangular load having 0 intensity at ends and W Newton per meter is the middle as given by. So that is MA is equal to MBA is equal to minus 5 upon 96 WL square. Please remember this formula. MA is equal to MBA is equal to minus 5 by 96 WL square. Okay. Next, the mid-span moment in a fixed beam due to uniformly distributed load W throughout the span is WL square by 24. फॉर्मूला आपको याद रखना, बहुत महत्वपूर्ण फॉर्मूला है. वहीं the point of contra fracture occurs only in overhanging beam. Unit of bending moment is M1 L2 T minus 2. In a fixed beam carrying a concentrated load in the middle, bending moment will be 0 at distance middle L by 4. A sudden change in shear force diagram between 2 points indicates that there is point load at both the points. Next, if the shear force is 0 along a section, bending moment at that section will be either minimum or maximum. Point of contrafracture in a cantilever span carrying a UDL occurs at does not exist. Difference in the ordinate of shear force diagram between any 2 points is equal to area under load diagram between these 2 points, right? Next, bending moment at the center of a beam of length L firmly supported at both ends and having a central load W at the main. So bending moment, what will be the bending moment here? WL by 4, where W is equal to W small w or L. An overhanging beam is contributed of cantilever plus simply supported beam. A simply supported beam of span L carrying a uniformly varying load from 0 at one end to W at other end and undergoes a maximum bending of WL square upon 9 root 3. The rate of change of shear force at a section is equal to intensity of loading. That is called del P dP upon dx is equal to rate of change of shear force. A point of contrafracture occurs in a fixed beam. The shape of the bending moment diagram over the length of a beam having no external load is always linear. Next, in a beam at a place where the shear force is maximum, the bending moment will be neither maximum nor minimum. A load W acting at a distance A from the left hand support of the simply supported beam of span L causes a max bending moment of W small a cosec capital L minus a cosec close upon L. WA cosec L minus a cosec log upon L. 0 bending moment in a fixed beam of length L carrying uniformly distributed load will occur at a distance from the center L upon 2 root 3. A beam is fixed at one end and firmly supported at the other, and a load acts in the center. The maximum bending moment will occur at fixed end. Number of points of contrafracture in a fixed beam with UDL on all span is 2. Shape of the bending moment diagram for a beam carrying and concentrated load is linear. A beam is loaded at cantilever. If the load at the end is increased, the failure will occur at the support, right? Next, in a continuous curve of bending moment, the point of zero bending moment where is changes sign is called the point of inflection, point of contraction, point of virtual hinge. So all are correct here. The reaction at left support of a simply supported beam due to clockwise coupled moment M applied at the mid point shall be M upon L. Okay, M upon L downward. Beam of length L having a uniformly load of W kg per unit length is supported freely at the ends. The bending moment at mid span will be WL square by 8. The moment diagram for a cantilever beam whose free end is subjected to a bending moment will be rectangular. Maximum bending moment in a cantilever of length L carrying a uniformly varying load of zero intensity at one end and W Newton per meter at the other end is WL square by 6. If a beam of constant section is subjected throughout its length to a uniform bending moment, it will bend to a circular arc. Next, what does the slope of bending moment curve has per fraction of between represent, right? So that is called the shear force at the section, right? Next, the shape of a shear force diagram for a simply supported beam AB subjected to point load W at the center of the span will be what? We will see this in our next classes. Okay, but the answer is the upward is coming, then sign changing, and downward is moving. The variance of the bending moment in the segment of a beam where the load is uniformly distributed is parabolic. The point of concept fracture is a point where bending moment changes sign. Pick up the correct statement from the following. For a uniformly distributed load, the shear force varies linearly. Now, the correct statements are 3. All are correct. For a uniformly distributed load, the shear force varies linearly. For a load varying linearly, the shear force curve is a parabola. For a load varying linearly, the bending moment curve is a cubic parabola. Right. Next, the shear force at the fixed end of a cantilever of length L carrying uniformly distributed UDL of W per unit length over the whole length is same WL. A propped cantilever beam of span capital L when loaded with a uniformly distributed load of intensity W will have a bending moment M at the center and where M is WL square by 8. For which of the following members subjected to bending there can be a point of contrafracture beam fixed at both ends. Next, what is the ratio of load carrying capacity of a fixed beam to that of a cantilever beam of same span having same maximum bending moment and loaded with uniformly distributed load throughout the span? Okay, that is called 6. Which of the following is true with respect to the bending moment of a simply supported beam with a central load? That is called it is maximum at the center. Okay, next, the cantilever beam is fixed one end, free the other end in a simply supported beam carrying UDL along with span. The maximum bending moment at the center will be, that is called WL square by 8. The diagram showing the variance of axial load along the span is called thrust diagram. The bending moment for a hanging beam is shown here. Here you can see also the point of contrafracture would be at where in between C and E. Okay. So like this, I have completed 50 questions only. Entire day I was officially working and visiting sites, so I'm tired. Anyway, I will be continue this also from the question number 51. These questions are very important questions. Please go through this. Ignore मत करना. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत आपको मिस करेंगे जब आप एग्जाम दो के आ जाओगे, तो आप अधिक से अधिक इसका लाभ उठा सकते हैं. दिस इज बिल्कुल फ्री है, फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है ये, तो जरूर उठाएं. So thank you so much guys for being here with me. Have a nice time.